Now, what does the letter Q have anything to do with railroading? The answer is nothing. This Q dates back to Victorian England. I'm going to be interrupted. That letter Q dating back to Victorian England. Any transportation vessels that had the Queen or royalty on board would signal that letter Q to let all other transportation vessels know that the Queen had the right of way. We don't use this today in railroads because we have royalty, but because the train always has a right of way. Most often than not, heavy freight trains going at speed will take multiple miles. Please stop, look, and listen, because that train has no intention of stopping for you. As we round this bend, we'll be approaching, excuse me,